You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. Hey, you act so different around me. Cause you're a good one and you know it. I know exactly who you could be. Come on, y'all. Just hold on, we're going on. There you go. Just hold on, we're going on. All right. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, we're going on. I got my eyes on you. What? You're everything that I see. I want your high love and emotion endlessly. Girl, you get over you. Everything that I see, I want your high love and emotion endlessly. Cause you're a what? Come on, man. Get it. I get over you. I can't get over you. Just hold on, we're going on. We were having some technical difficulties back then.
It's alright, baby, it's alright.
We got it together. Our little fine DJ back here got it together. Our little D the DJ. DJ D in the building! Wait, this ain't a ratchet party. We're too dressed up, too damn classy for that. Put your hands together. Come on. Begging you, put your loving hand, I'll take it. Begging you, put your loving hand, I'll baby. Riding high when I was teen, played it hard and fast 'cause I had everything. Walked away, wondering then, but easy coming, easy going, it would end. Begging you, put your loving hand, I'll baby. What? Try so hard to be a man, kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, shadow of my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know, will leaving devils dancing, dancing with my soul. Come on. Put your loving hand out, baby. Try so hard to be alone. Now that big brass ring is a face of blood. Put your hands together, I want to feel you, come on. Begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. What? Put your loving hand out, baby. Begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. So fucking hot right now. I think, yeah. Thank you. This concludes our show. needs a drink. I can't remember. Wait. Can y'all put your hands together for that? Damn.